Hello folks, Hot Rod Rodney 25 coming back to you with another exception of a challenge. Jason, aka Train Freak, I accept your challenge. Here is my switcher, and I've never had this on any of my tracks yet, guys, since I bought it from train show, I believe in 2019, because I don't think we had any at all in 2020 at the beginning of the year that I can remember. But I think it was 2019 when I bought this. So it is a chessie system, C&O number, looks like from this angle, 8402, I believe. Yes. And I'm trying to look through it on my phone. But anyway, I tried running it, and it does move, which is a good thing, because I wasn't sure. Well, I knew it ran because of the guy telling me it ran. I think that was the one that, this is the one that we actually tested at the train show on the test track, to prove that it did run. But you got all 11 of my Western Maryland gray hoppers on there, and the switcher. These cars pull pretty easy, so that's the reason I'm using those. They're not too heavy, not too light. But they're, I believe, roundhouse cars. The old roundhouse blue box. Red, white, and blue box. Gray box, whatever colors they was on the box. But here we go. We will zoom in on it as far as I can, and my noisy transformer back here humming, and we'll get started. Here we go. It's starting from right where the Winchester and Western car hopper is that I made up several years back. My own labels, or my own stickers, and we'll see what this does. It's heading back. We already know these cars will run this track pretty easy, because they was in my video for Wilmer challenge. So, but this is Jason, aka the Train Freaks challenge. He wanted a switcher and cars. I'm hoping that hoppers are accepted. If not, I can redo the video with freight cars, no problem. So we'll come up here, and it's coming up kind of fast on me. So I better get back over here and get ready to shut it off. Where's my... Oh. And there we go. I hope that's acceptable. Pulls pretty good. If it needed to be more than 11 cars, I can redo the video, or if it needed to be freight cars or something like that instead of hoppers, that's fine too. I can redo the video. But thanks for watching. This was the challenge I accepted for Jason, aka the Train Freak. Bye for now, guys.